The Africa High Performance Program started, I'm trying to think exactly when, but it was about 2 years ago now. So we started off with a camp in Johannesburg with a selected squad. And I think we very quickly realized that selected squad was fine, but we needed to be touching more lives, and personally felt that we needed to touch more coaches to try and get depth into the countries and get it into the countries quicker. And thankfully, the people who are on board, and I include the RNA and the Olympic Solidarity Fund and the IGF, sort of decided on a hybrid system where this morning, and they came to me afterwards and said, you know, they've learned so much in those 3 hours, and it's not really me telling them what to do, it's me giving them a push.
Today is day one, and so far it's just after lunch, and in the morning we had really amazing sessions on the range. So I'm very excited and happy for this opportunity because I feel like it's going to improve my game and so much. It's just the day one and half day, and I've already learned so much. I had a session with Coach Paul Mackenzie, and he had a check on my swing on the flight scope, and it did tell us what I was doing wrong, and because usually when I hit a bad shot it's a hook, so I had a really strong grip and we were able to rectify that. So now I'm very neutral and I feel so good about my neutral grip, which I've already hit a lot of shots with it, so now I'm feeling very easy with it.
We are here this morning at the Thika Greens Golf Resort for the start of the Africa High Performance Program, which is an intensive 3-day camp that is designed for the development of our elite players. At this camp we are hosting 12 players below the age of 24, and the split of those is 7 ladies and 5 gentlemen, as well as 6 coaches.
With the same feeling, you got it?
Hi,